Hey guys, Trina here, back with the last tutorial this week of an acrylic Dutch pour. Today we're going to be pouring with some blues and white on the background, and then some ochre pink, a little bit of black, a little bit of copper on the top. So here I'm just filling in the background and getting ready to blow it out with the hair dryer. And then I'm going to add in the white. So now we're adding in the white, and that's going to be a really nice cool ground. I really like blowing these things out with the hairdryer. I tried with popsicle stick and it was terrible. So now that we got our ground, we're gonna add in the pink and ochre and black lines. I really like using lines right now. The puddles are nice, but it's fun to experiment with different ways of laying down the paint. And with these pour bottles, squeeze bottles, I'm able to put down a really thin line of paint, which is nice because I think that adds to the overall effect. So now I'm still adding lines, and then we're gonna add some more pink because you can never have enough pink, right, girls? Right? It's fabulous. Then I'm going to flood a little bit of white and more blue, and then I'm going to blow out the white with a straw, which I've been doing a little bit lately because I feel like I have a bit more control over how the white paint gets on to the colors. I'm still going to blow it out with the blow dryer, but I think this initial step gives me a little bit more control and it's less chaotic. So now I'm going to, after I finish blowing and blowing and blowing, now we're gonna blow out the bubbles here with the torch. I do have a new torch coming, so it's gonna be a lot quicker and faster. Hairdryer time. Let's blow this out. Cleaning up some marks I made there. And we're gonna blow from the top and then come back and blow through the bottom. And I like how the colors spread out. And then I'm gonna come back and blow down into the blue paint, and that's really cool how it adds that blue up in there. I really wasn't happy with the way that top left side was working out, so I think I will add in I added in some pink and some ochre to give it a little bit more color because it was sort of lacking and not really working with the rest of the piece. So once again, we flood with white, and we're gonna blow it out a little bit. And then we're gonna take the hairdryer to it again and blow it out. I'm really getting much better at using the hairdryer. It's more of a tool now than a cumbersome thing that I thought it was in the beginning. So now we're gonna blow the torch and get out the air bubbles, and then you'll see me spritz, and I put on some watered down dishwashing liquid. And that's kind of a cool little technique that gives you more cells and a little bit more bubbles. It's hard to see on camera, but you'll see it just sort of light up there. And there it is. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we will see you on the next one, which would be probably next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.